Hello, class. How's everyone doing today? My name is Quadira Wilds, and today we will be discussing meditation, and we will do a meditation technique. So, meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique such as focusing their mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. Meditation may be used with the aim of reducing stress, anxiety, depression, and pain, and increasing peace, perception, and well being. Meditation is a growing field of a neurological study and has revealed dozens of physical, mental, and psychological positive outcomes, including reduced stress, increased positive emotions, increased energy, improvement of memory and focus, boost self confidence, decrease symptoms of anxiety and depression, boost immune function, decreased pain and inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improved sleep. I think a nice goal for you to set is maybe try to meditate for maybe 5 to 10 minutes a day, just to have a clear, calm state of mind and just positive thoughts. Start your day off with 5 to 10 minutes of meditation, positive thoughts, positive energy, will just result in a positive day. So let's get started. Alrighty, guys. So I turned a little music on. We're going to set the mood. I'm going to play some healing music in the background. It's just some relaxing music. It'll relax your mind, your body, and your soul. So first and foremost, we're going to start by sitting up straight. All right, we're going to sit up straight in the chair, which I am sitting in the chair right now. Or if you feel more comfortable, you can sit cross-legged on the floor with a cushion or a yoga mat. It's up to you, whichever you prefer. Right now, I'm going to sit in the chair. I'm sitting up nice and straight. All right, you guys can see me good. And let's start by closing our eyes. And while we do this, I'm just going to focus the screen on the background and the music as I walk you through the basic steps of meditation. All right, let's get started. All right, guys. Now let's start by closing our eyes. And after we close our eyes, I want us to just relax our body, relax our mind. All right, guys, I want us to take a few deep cleansing breaths, maybe 3 or 4. That'll be good. Let's just relax. Notice the sensation of your body as you're sitting. This could be simply pressure on your chair, warmth, tingling. But let's just simply notice these without judgment or anxiety. Everyone just breathe and relax. Gradually become aware of your breathing. Notice the air moving in and out through your nostrils and the raise and fall of your chest and abdomen. Allow your breaths to come naturally without forcing. At this moment, everyone should be calm and relaxed. Allow your attention to rest in the sensation of breathing, or perhaps even mentally thinking positive thoughts as you inhale and as you exhale. So let's just take about 1 minute of silence. Every time your thoughts wander, gently let them go and return to the sensation of breathing. Just lead your mind back to focused attention on breathing. As you focus on breathing, you'll likely notice other perceptions and sensations like sound, emotions. Simply notice these as they arise in your awareness, and then gently return to the sensation of breathing. When you observe you've been lost in thought, detach yourself from the thoughts and view them as outside witnesses with no judgment or emotions. Then again, return your attention to your breathing. Breathe and relax. Continue with these steps until you are increasingly just a witness of all sights, sounds, sensations, emotions, and thoughts as they arise and pass away. Very relaxed, calming, breathe and breathe. All right, guys. Let's come back together. How does everyone feel? Does everyone feel relaxed and calm? I hope you guys enjoyed following along with me. I hope the music was relaxing for you guys. It was very relaxing for me. I think that this technique will be good for groups, adults. I think it'll be good for children, maybe 7 and up. I also think this will be a great exercise or activity that teachers can do with their class, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes prior to class starting, just to relax everyone and calm everyone. Um, I think that this was a very relaxing technique. This is good for self-care. If you take at least 5 minutes out of your day to maybe do this in the morning before you start your day, to just cleanse and heal your mind, your thoughts, your body, your soul, or if you're having a stressful, overwhelming day, just take 5 to 10 minutes and just put some calming music on, close your eyes, just relax, clear your mind. And this technique was very, very interesting for me to do. I feel very relaxed right now. I hope everyone enjoyed it, and thanks for following along with me. Thank you. Bye.